Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie, and in today's video I will explain why you may be seeing traffic from Council Bluffs, Iowa in your Shopify store. One of our Shopify stores we run solely for the customers in the Czech Republic, and from time to time when I was checking the real-time report, I noted a strange thing. There was a significant number of sessions coming from the location Council Bluffs, Iowa in the United States, which was really weird because the store was only in Czech language and was solely for the Czech customers. So there was no reason why someone in the US should actually access it. So I did some digging, and it turned out that this was actually a common question in the Shopify community. I found a thread all the way back in the 2020, and the merchant was actually asking the same questions, and all the other merchants came in and confirmed the same thing and the same location. So after some further digging, it turned out that Council Bluffs in Iowa is actually a location of a Google data center. So the sessions were actually bots, Googlebots. And the reason why Googlebots are accessing your store is that they are actually measuring the performance. So if you go to online store teams, there is this performance report at the top, which shows some of the performance KPIs. And those KPIs are actually coming from the tests which are done by Google. It's actually the same as if you would take your store URL and put it into PageSpeed Insights. This is just done automatically, so you don't need to do it. You can just review it here in your Shopify admin. Now, it's great that Shopify and Google does that for you. It's very, very important. But I've also found out that those sessions can heavily influence some of your reports. So for example, this is our conversion report for the last 90 days. And now it includes all sessions. So if I will filter by country and include only Czechia, for which the store is created, you can see the conversion went up from 3.4 to 3.6. Luckily, Shopify realized that including bot sessions into the reporting doesn't make much sense and can skew the data. So they added a new filter, which is called human or bot. And you can select whether the sessions are coming from humans, bots, or none. There is an easy fix. In all your reports which count session, make sure to have this filter edit and select human. And you can see the difference now. So the conversion rate is 3.5. And when I remove the filter, it drops to 3.4. So keep in mind to always add the filter human and filter out bot sessions. If you'd like to learn more details about the topic, I will link our article on our blog. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks much for watching. I hope it was useful. And if you'd like to stay on top of Shopify, please subscribe to our channel.